To enable and use keyboard glide typing in POCO M8 Pro 5G, first of all we'll need to find it inside of the settings. Then in the settings page, scroll all the way down and enter additional settings. Here go for the languages and input, click on manage keyboards and select Gboard. Next step is to enter glide typing and make sure that this option is activated if you want to use it. Now if we have it, we can open our keyboard, and to start glide typing, first of all you will need to click and hold where you want to start. Then right after you click and hold, you will need to start moving to different letters to form the word that you want to use. For example, we're gonna go for something simple like a dog. So it should look like this. I'm clicking and holding, moving to O and then G. And as you can see, it works fine. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.